Hey there! You've all used Spelling City here at school, but I'm going to show you how to get there from our class website. When you do your spelling practice, you'll be in the Language Arts tab on our website. When you scroll down, you'll see your spelling assignments. On Tuesday, you'll have an assignment in Spelling City, and on Friday, you can take your test there too. To get to Spelling City, just click on the underlined words. If you're not signed into your Google account, you'll click on Student, then enter your school ID and password. If you already signed into your Google Drive, just click on Sign in with Google, and you'll go straight to your account. I'm going into Casey's account just to show you what it looks like. You will see your assignments here. Remember to pay attention and choose list A or B on Monday, and then do the assignment that goes with the list you're studying. If you're studying list A, these are your assignments. If you're studying list B, open the tab and do these assignments. You'll be able to take the test on each week's words starting on Thursday, so check back into Spelling City for your test at the end of the week. Good luck, you're going to do great.